Hi, my name is Fanny Garcia. I am studying Uniminuto. I am going to speaking from rights and how work usan modal verbs, okay? Rights. I have to the right to participate in academic activities. I can complete the training program in which I am enrolled. I could make transfer. The student can demand quality in the training process. I have to the right to demand going treatment for teacher. The teacher have to demand the notice to the student. The student can quality teacher. I can access and source of scientific and technology information. We can receive the hardware service of their with Uniminuto. I could submit requests and complaints. I can freely express my ideas. It deserves respect for the quality of my personal data. I can choose and be elected of the student council. I have to access to clear and prior information about university standards. I have to the right to be respected in the classroom. Homework. I have to respect the character of Uniminuto as Catholic inspired institution. The student must time pay the tuition fee. I must canon the regulation and the program project. You must enter the Uniminuto facilities duly identified with the student card. Student must abide with the instruction with academic and administrative staff. We students must personally carry out evaluation, research, work, and practice. We must take care of the classroom. I must use technology means for academic purpose only. I must not use drugs or alcohol. The student must obey the academic and disciplinary sanction imposed on the term. The information registered of the time of enrolling must be kept up the track. The student must inform the Uniminuto medical service with their contract or have an illness. I must not we enter with pants in the Uniminuto. I must we in the social security for my health. The student must constantly come and consult the Uniminuto week pack. Thank you.